So tonight we're outside in the big snowstorm. It's been snowing all day.
I don't know if tomorrow's going to be a good snow sledding day, but
Probably not a good day to slide. It's all look at that. We decided to come outside. It's about midnight. The camera gives us some light. So it's still snowing hard. There's a big snowstorm up here. So we decided to come out and play in it. I don't know why, but we did. Do you know why? A few hours ago there was no snow here. Now we have big snow. I don't know how well you can see because it's nighttime. But we thought we'd come out and play in the first snowstorm of the year. Well, any major snowstorm. We had 2 or 3 inches before. Now we have a couple feet. Right? And Knox has went to sleep in the snow.
are you going to edit that?
Nope. And I dropped my camera in the snow.
Are you going to edit?
Oh.
Why? You're going to have to.
So it's time to turn my camera off. See you tomorrow.